Now, to promote its AI offerings, Microsoft teamed up with Carlsberg to use AI to speed up the process of brewing new flavors of the beer. Now, moving on, what they did was Microsoft marketed this project using the integrated marketing approach, using a multitude of channels. So, as you can see on this screen, there were microblogs on Twitter. There were a lot of press releases in Financial Times. And then there was also video promotions across Facebook and YouTube as well. Now, how do we actually create an integrated digital marketing strategy? Now, step one is knowing your target audience, which has been a step always. Now, first sub step of that is that who are your target customers? What are their motivations? How do they like to get in touch with? Which publishers do they read? Which websites do they visit regularly? And which channels are they using? What are they talking about right now? Step number two is to design clear and consistent content that can easily